What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. I wanted to do a little bit of a launch update this afternoon because we got a major launch of ZKSync. All right, launched earlier today. While the market circumstances are by far not great to say the least, but ZKSync still is a relatively hyped up project. When we talk about projects that launched recently, what you have to talk about as well as airdrops, and ZKSync actually did a pretty good airdrop. And even in these circumstances, which it seems very bearish right now, just after, like when we get to the analysis, let me just tell you up front that it's very difficult and almost impossible to do real technical analysis on a crypto that launched this recently. All right. So that's also not necessarily what we're going to do. However, you can say some things based on how we are launching right now. What's possible with this volume. If you look at the backing of them, you can say some things I think that are interesting. So that's what we'll do. So let's get right into it. Like I said, the volume right now is actually pretty good. If you take a look at the last hour, it's in the top 6. So it ranks in similar volumes, for example, to Ethereum against USDC and Solana. Like, it's only $15 million lower than Solana right now. And ZKSync itself, like I said, if you compare this project with other airdrop launches, ZKSync, the sentiment around it is pretty good, and then it's also backed by some major partners. As you can see, they raised a ton of money, and they're backed by some major partners, probably also market makers. So that makes me believe that even in these circumstances, something is possible. Now, ideally, I do think we need a stable Bitcoin to at least see a rally. All right, and Bitcoin at this moment is definitely not stable yet. All right, if Bitcoin finds some support and we actually gain some momentum from that support, then the situation changes. All right, so then I think there's a higher chance for CK to rally. But at this moment, I'll tell you that I don't think a rally is possible, even though the sentiment around it is relatively positive, and even though the volume is definitely bullish. I think a real rally is not something you should expect unless Bitcoin finds support and preferably also some bullish momentum. All right, so we're waiting for that. All right, and right now, if you look at ZK, this is the 1 minute time frame very recently. So in the last hour or so, if you look at the price action right here on the 5 minute time frame, I hope you can see this. Since the launch, we've basically been consolidating mainly between 26 cents and then down here around 23.5 cents. What I always try to look for with these new cryptos, or new launches, I should say, is some sort of an early consolidation range and then a breakout. So 26 cents, I'm fairly certain about that that's a real level. 23.5 cents, I'm not too sure about. So what I would say, and I think that's the best thing to do in these market circumstances at least, is wait for a breakout. Right? If Bitcoin actually turns bullish and we get some sort of a breakout above 26 cents, then I think a rally for ZK is possible. But it is 100% necessary that we do have some more bullish market circumstances. Otherwise, that breakout doesn't really mean anything. Then we still have a lot of resistance at 27.5 cents and 30 cents. So it's not a rally yet. And if Bitcoin continues to be bearish like we are right now, and ZK drops down below 23.5 cents, I expect it to drop. So that's the early consolidation. Wait for a breakout. In general, I think ZK has potential to rally soon. But for that, we would first of all need to keep up this volume. And like I said, we need a more bullish market. So that's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know. I will probably do some daily updates on this as well. So don't worry too much about that yet. For now, have a great day. Stay safe in these markets. And I'll see you all in my next videos. Bye.